Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily lock any app on your device. So if someone get access to your iPhone, they wouldn't be able to use the app that you locked before. Just like that. As you can see, I locked my Instagram app, and let me show you how you can in the same way lock any app at your device. So be sure to watch the video to the very end and you wouldn't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's hop out Instagram for now and first off get into settings. Then on settings get into screen time, and if screen time toggled off, just hit turn on screen time right here towards the bottom, and then turn it on. Once you did that, just scroll down for a bit, and if right here it says use screen time passcode, that definitely means that you haven't set screen time passcode, so you should set it first. Just hit right here and then enter a screen time. Just don't make it too obvious, like 1111 or 1234, because that kind of passcode can be easily guessed by someone. And I'm just gonna enter 4751 just for example. Then I need to re-enter it, and on that step it asks you to enter your Apple ID, so actually your email and password for your Apple ID. If you forget the screen time passcode, you can use your Apple ID to reset it. So I'm just gonna enter my email, then hit on return, then enter a password, then return again. And now right here you can see change screen time passcode. That means that you set screen time passcode. After that you can enter app limits right here. If this feature disabled, just hit at that switcher to turn it on. And I got Instagram limit here, let me remove it. And now let me show you how you can easily create a new limit. Just hit add limit, and right here you need to find your app. If you want to limit some of your, for example, social media platforms, social media apps, you can just hit add social, and that shows you all the social media apps, all messengers like Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, WeChat, FaceTime, Facebook, and a bunch of different others, including Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to lock Instagram actually. So I'm gonna select Instagram. You can check mark any app that you want and then just hit on next. On that step you should select a time limit for that app. I recommend you to set it to 1 minute. That means that Instagram app is now limited for 1 minute every day, and once you spend 1 minute on Instagram, the app will be locked for the rest of the day. So now I'm just gonna hit on add. As you can see, a new limit has appeared right there. Now you can hop out settings, and as you can see, Instagram app icon is great. That means that this app is locked now, because I have used Instagram today for more than 1 minute. So if someone get access to your device and they hit at Instagram icon, they will see that screen where it says that you have reached your limit on Instagram, and all they can do is just hit at OK, because they can't get access to your Instagram. But you can hit right here where it says ask for more time, then just hit at enter screen time passcode, then just enter it. And now you can select one of three options. You can approve it for 5 minutes, you can approve it for 1 hour, and you can approve it for all day. I'm just gonna hit add approve for 1 hour, and now I can use Instagram app for the next hour without any limitations. After that, Instagram app will be locked for the rest of the day again. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.